Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff Carbuoy and we are back again with another insurance auto auction vehicle. And today I got some tips on how to get a good deal. When is the best season to do the insurance auto auction and get the best deal. So this is a new deal that I got here on the auction, and it just got delivered a few days ago. And as you can see, it's none other than Toyota Highlander. It's a 7-seater SUV, a nice one. I know you're wondering what is wrong with it, because everything looks super good. I haven't shown you the damage yet, but this is one of them. There is a windshield crack right there. It's going all the way to here, so probably the windshield might need to be replaced sometime soon. But it is a 2012 Toyota Highlander. So let me walk you through. I know you're wondering, why am I not showing the passenger side, so you can see the damage. And here we go. This is the damage, and this is why this vehicle was totaled and taken to the insurance auto auction. So you're gonna need to replace this door and probably change this fender right there. And that's about it. No other damages on that vehicle. So we got the fender, the door, and the windshield. Now let me show you the interior. See how it look like on the inside. Here we go. It's nice. It's not super dirty, but it needs some cleaning though. The back seat, that's the second row, and the third row is already down there, which I'm gonna show you here in a second. Now the question is, does it start? Let's try to find out. So it comes with one key. Where's this key? Here we go. It comes with one key and a remote. So let's see when it's gonna start. So one thing I mentioned on the other video is, before you start a vehicle that just come in and you don't know how the condition, always check the hood. So we're gonna pop the hood, and I'm gonna show you the hood before we even start it. There are a few things you want to check under the hood. One of the most thing you want to check here under the hood is make sure you have the oil, and you check that using the dipstick. check the oil and the condition. So I already checked the oil area. The other thing you want to check is make sure that it has a coolant. You can check through the tank, and I know for sure it needs to add a little bit more, but it's a V6. Nice. I hope all goes well. I'm gonna go start it. I checked the oil and I checked the coolant. Everything is good. So now let me go ahead and start it. There is no check engine light. Yes, everything at the dashboard is clean. Comes with a little screen there, and also a backup camera. That's the backup camera right there. Very quiet engine. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I know most of you wondering how much was this vehicle on the auction. If you want to know, let me know in the comment section. So what do I look when I'm going for a car auction? I'm always looking for the parts, the damage. It's easy to fix, and it's gonna cost as little money as possible. Something that I can actually do it on my driveway, like replacing this door. Actually, I already got the door, and I'm gonna show you here in a little bit, and the feather. So those one are easy to fix, and I can actually do those here on my driveway. I'll probably get a chance to show you how to do it yourself. So that's why I always look for the easy to fix damages, and also check the value of the vehicle. I will make sure that you're not spending more than the value of the vehicle. Those are some of the things. Now, when I started the video, remember I said the best season to do a car auction. I think if you do a car auction during the winter, especially when it's snowing, you are likely to get a better deal, because nobody want to fix the vehicles during the winter season when it's super cold. So that's why I think doing a car auction on a winter season, you are likely to get a better deal. So the saddle of the seat is laid down here. So I guess I'll need to remove this, but maybe by lifting. There we go. I'll fix it later if I need it. But this is the seat belt for the saddle. I need to do a real good cleanup there. Let me know, guys, what you think. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Make sure you hit that red black subscribe button. Stay tuned. The next video will be coming up soon, probably on this vehicle, showing you how to fix. Oh, before I go, I said I'm gonna show you the new door, and this is the new door that most likely I'm gonna replace with the damaged door. And you can see I was lucky to find the actual color. So I used the door from a different vehicle. And there goes the feather, which it's a little bit of gray. I was looking for silver, but I wasn't lucky enough. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. This is Jeff Carbuoy.